Water efficiently, we are implementing an irrigation system that has micro irrigation so that all the plants are getting water, but we're not going to be losing any water by overspraying. So we're able to make sure that we're watering by the needs of the plant.
We're trying to conserve water. That's why we're using the plants that we're using, and that's why we're doing what we're doing.
Flip foreman Casey Shad is heading up the re-engineering of the irrigation system.
The plants and the grass don't need the same amount of water. You don't need that much water on your shrubs and on your bushes,
Okay.
right? And so why waste all that water? And that's why we're doing what we're doing. The old shrubbery that was in here and the grass all on the one same zone. What we did is we separated those two zones. So now the one zone will be nothing but the grass and the turf.
Okay.
You'll be able to monitor those minutes better. You'll be able to monitor how much water you're putting on it. And then we separated out all the shrubs and plants, and that way you'll be able to monitor that better.
Having separate zones for turf and flower beds saves water by allowing you to place the right amount of water for a specific area in your yard. Drip tube irrigation delivers the water slowly through small holes that put water directly on the root of the plants. This saves water by isolating it to a targeted area versus broadcasting water with traditional rotary heads. This system has been proven to save 30 to 50% of water compared to a conventional sprinkler system.
You'll be able to monitor how much water you're putting on it, and then we separated out all the shrubs and plants, and that way you'll be able to monitor that better, and you'll be able to fluctuate that better as needed.
And this is going to make at least watering and establishing this landscape low maintenance for them. They're going to have an irrigation system.
Absolutely.
It's going to put the water where it needs to be. So we're almost finished here. We got some more drip tubing on the other side.
Yes, we do.
And we're set to go. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic.
All right, let's get it
yes,
done.
Sir, let's get back to it.
Yep.